before the video starts, I would just like to mention that I do have a website. You can access it by clicking on the link in the description below. It's just ivanhung1.webnode.co.uk. I'll put it up on screen as well, but it's just a quick message to tell you guys that you can purchase my full videos in the full videos tab. It's £5 for all the unlisted videos that I'll be producing, which is the full version, which provides you with all the content that you'll need to smash your exams. So I hope this video helps, and I hope you enjoy it too. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be going through simultaneous equations. Don't mind the sniffles and my weird sounding throat. I've got like a recovering cold, so yeah, just ignore that. But yeah, we are going to be going through simultaneous equations today, which is also known as solving system of equations, finding two variables values, whatever you want. I'm just going to call it simultaneous equations because that's how I was taught it. Just makes sense, to be fair, because you have two equations and you're solving them simultaneously. It's basically all it means. So we'll just get straight into the question. I'll try and make this video as quick as possible, because they're not too hard until you get into three chains or systems of equations. But for GCSE, I've only seen two sets of equations. So moving on. So we have a question here. Again, for the full version, you'll be going through two more questions. But instead of having the full video, I'll just do those two questions and make it unlisted. But anyways, we'll just do the question, right? So we have two things here. So there's a lot of things we can do here. We can either, first method is rearrange. Actually, no, three methods. So you can rearrange and then substitute one into here or the other one into here. Or you can basically make the x values the same and then put everything else onto one side and then set them equal to each other. Or you can do the easiest method, which is just simply finding common terms and then eliminating them. So we'll just go with the third method because this isn't too complicated. It doesn't need a substitution or anything. So in order to eliminate, what do we want to eliminate? Y will probably be the easiest because the second one could be just times by 2 and then they'll both be 4y. So let's do that. So here, times that by 1 and times this by 2. I'll explain in a minute. Okay, so when you multiply, just remember you need to multiply everything by 2, whether it's on the left or right hand side, which is how I got this equation over here. So the reason why I made this times 1 is to keep the 4y the same. So now I have plus 4y and minus 4y. So in order to eliminate these, we can do 4 minus plus minus 4, if that makes sense, right? To get 0. So what happens here is we plus both sides. So it now becomes 13x plus 4y plus minus 4y is just 0y, and then equals 39, right? So that can be simplified to this. So simply our answer for x is 39 over 13. Putting that into our calculator, the answer is 3. So we're not actually done here yet. We have to find the other variable, which is y in this circumstance. So in order to find that, we can eliminate x. We can eliminate x and then do the same process as we did over here. Or to make our lives easier, we can get this value that we've just found and plug it back into one of these. Only one of these, not both of them, just one of these to find y. Because if you plug it into either of them, it doesn't matter, you should get the same value. So you just plug it into one. So I'll plug it into the, you know what, let's do the first one. So 3x plus 4y, let me write a bit nicer, equals 7. So we know x is 3, so 3 times 3 plus 4y equals 7. 9 plus 4y equals 7. 4y equals minus 2. Therefore, y equals negative 2 over 4. So y is minus 1 over 2. And those are your final answers. So in order to check if those are correct, you can place them in both equations this time. So use both these values into each of them and see if it equals the right hand side basically. So we'll just make this equation 1 over here, make this equation 2, right? So for equation 1, we will have 3 times 3 plus 4 times minus a half. So 9 plus minus 2. Plus and minus makes it minus, which equals 7. So this is correct. And then for the second equation, we have 5 times 3, because it's 5x, minus 2, times minus a half. So you get 15 minus 2 times minus a half is plus, because minus times minus becomes positive. So you get plus 1, which equals 16, which is also our answer. So yeah, like I said, this video would be very quick, so hopefully that wasn't too complicated, and there will be different methods that you can do to solve simultaneously, and this is one of them. So hopefully this helped, and see you later.